Hi guys, creating and verifying a BingX account on your mobile phone is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. BingX is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows users to buy, sell and trade various digital assets. In this guide, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of creating and verifying your BingX account on your mobile phone. It's very easy, just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So let's get started. So guys, the first step you have to take now is to download and install the BingX app into your phone, and you can do that by going over to your Play Store. That's if you're using an Android device, but if you're using an iOS device or an iPhone, you have to go over to your App Store. So let me go over to my Play Store since I'm using an Android device in this tutorial today. Let me tap on my Play Store. You can see my Play Store is opening. So now the next step you have to take now is to search for the BingX app, and you can do that by tapping on the search icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. Then you tap on the search bar at the top. Let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to type in BingX. Let me type it in, B-I-N-G, then X. So let me tap on search. Right there is the BingX app. You can see it. Let me tap on it to open up the web page so you see it clearly. You can see it more clearly. You can see the logo. You can see the name, BingX by BTC Crypto. So let me tap on install. What you have to do is to tap on install to download and install the app into your phone. So let me tap on it. Right there guys, you can see the BingX app have started downloading. It is at 2%, so let's wait till it gets to 100%. Then after that, it's going to start installing automatically. So let's wait. Wow guys, you can see now it has started installing. So guys, you can see it's done downloading and installing. So what you have to do next now is to tap on open. So let me tap on open to open up the BingX app. You can see now BingX is opening up. You can see what is written here, allow BingX to send you notifications. So let me tap on allow. Then here's the next step now. For you to be able to create a BingX account, what you have to do now is to tap on sign up. You can see it right there on the left. So let me tap on it. So right here is a sign up page. So you can either create your account using your email address or your mobile phone number. You can see email is already selected. If you want to use your mobile phone number, then you tap on where you can see phone. So let me tap on it. You can see now phone has been selected, but I don't want to use my phone. I want to use my email address. So let me tap back on email. So guys, let me go ahead now to input my email address. Then after that, I will create a password. So let me do that real quick. You can see right there now I've inputted my email address. So let me go ahead now to create a strong password that I can easily remember. And make sure the password has not less than 8 characters and it must contain a number and also letters. So let me go ahead now to do that. You can see right there I've inputted my email address and my password. So now the next step now is to input the referral code. You can see it right there. So let me tap on referral code. So guys, the referral code is actually optional, but this is where you're going to do me a favor. Go ahead to use my referral code. You can see it right there on the screen. Once you're creating your own, use my referral code. If you use my referral code, you're going to be getting 50% discount on your trading fee on this BingX platform, and also you're going to be receiving a reward of over 100 USD, over $100. Make sure you don't miss it. And also I'm going to be receiving a small commission from BingX, so it's a win-win for both of us. You're going to win, I'm also going to win. So just go ahead to use my referral code at the top and paste it there. So let me go ahead now to paste it. So after you're done pasting it, now what you have to do now is to tap on sign up. So let me tap on sign up. You can see guys, it's loading up. So guys, here's the next step. You can see what's written there, slide to complete the puzzle. So let me use the slider right away. Let me complete the puzzle. You can see I've completed it. You can see verification success. Now it's going to load up. It's loading up. Then here is the next step, email verification code sent to your email. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to my email, to my Gmail app, to get the email that has been sent to me, to get the code. Let me minimize now. Then let me go over to my email. You can see the email that has been sent. You can see it right there, BingX. So let me tap on it to open it. Then let me get the code. Let me copy it. Then let me go back to the BingX platform. Then let me go ahead now to paste it. You can see I've pasted it and it's now loading. You can see welcome to BingX. They're asking me to save my password to Google. I don't want to save it, or let me just tap on save. You can see I've saved it. You can see welcome to BingX. So now the next step now, which is the most important, is to verify your BingX account. You can see what's written there, verification. Start using BingX services. Complete the steps below. You can see upload a valid ID document and also upload a selfie. So this is the verification step. You upload your ID document, which can be a national ID card, an international passport, a driver's license. These are government issued ID cards, so you can use it to verify yourself. And also you're going to take a selfie of yourself for face recognition. So let me tap on verify now to begin the process of verification. So guys, now here is the next step. Can see what's written there: complete identity verification to unlock more features. If your daily or monthly deposit hits the upper limit, advanced verification will be required to continue depositing and trading. So you can see they have two levels: the basic verification and the advanced verification. For the basic verification, the requirements are just to fill your basic information like your country, your name, and your phone number. Then for the advanced, then you have to upload an ID, your national ID card, or you can use your BVN or your national identity number, or your driver's license, or your international passport. That's what you can use to do the advanced verification. So what I'm going to do now is that I will go through the two verification levels. So let me start with the basic verification. Let me tap on verify now. So guys can see it right there. I'm required to provide my country, my ID type, my last name, first name, ID number, and also I have to select my date of birth. So let me go ahead now to do this real quick. Let me first of all, you can see my country is already automatically selected. So let me go ahead now to select ID type. Let me tap on the drop down icon there. You can see the ID types that we have, the options. The first one is ID card, which can be your national ID card. The second one there is your passport, which can be your national, your international passport. Then the third one, driver's license. Then the last one, resident permit. So ID card is selected. I want to leave it at ID card. So it is selected. So let me go ahead now to input my last name, my first name, and my ID number. You have to input the national identity number of your ID card. So that's what you need to do. So let me go ahead now to fill in all of this. And also I'm going to fill in my date of birth. So let me do that real quick. So as now you can see, I've inputted my last name, first name, ID number, and also my date of birth. So let me go ahead now to tap on complete. You can see guys, it's loading up. Wow guys, can see success. You can see this is my identity information. So let me go back now so I can do the advanced verification. Let me go back. You can see under the basic verification, you can see success. So let me go over to the advanced verification. So let me tap on verify now. You're going to need an ID card, an ID card photo. You're going to take an image of your ID card, the front and the back, and also take a picture of yourself for face recognition. Let me tap on verify now. This will take about 2 minutes or 3 minutes depending on how fast you are. You can see it's loading up. You can see, so verify identity. So let me tap on continue. So this is the next step. You have to select your country. You can see my country is automatically selected. You can tap on the icon there to select your own country. You can see, just scroll through to search for your country. The next step now is to select your document type. You can see the three options we have: passport, ID card, then driver's license. Let me go for the second one, which is ID card. I have my national ID card. So what I'm going to do now is to allow BingX to take pictures and record videos. So let me tap on why using this app. So what I'm going to do now is to take a picture of my ID card. So let me get to do that real quick. So I've taken the image of the front side. So let me tap on document is readable. Let me tap on it. Then let's go over to the back side of the ID. I want to take the picture. You can see now I've taken the back of my ID card. So let me tap on document is readable. Let me tap on it. Tap on it. You can see it's uploading it. Let's wait a few seconds. You can see it's loading. So guys, now here's the next step. You can see what's written there. Position your face to fit the frame. So let me go ahead now to position my face. So guys, now you can see I'm positioning my face to fit the frame. You can see it's going to soon capture my face. You can see now your face scan is complete. You can see now it's loading. You can see what's written here: verification status. The system is reviewing your documents. This will take about 2 minutes. So guys, what I have to do is just to wait for a few seconds. Let's just wait for a while. Let's exercise a little bit of patience. Wow guys, now you can see completed. So guys, now my identity has been verified. You can see success, identity information successfully verified. So now I've completed the basic identification and also the advanced verification. So guys, now you can see it. The basic is success, then the advanced also at the top now is success. So I now have full access to all the features of BingX. So guys, now this is how you can be able to create and verify your BingX account on your mobile device. See you in our next upload. Bye.